Hello, my name is Robinson Hernandez Alcalde. I live in Medellin. I study bachelor degree in teaching foreign language emphasis in English. The course is Integral Pedagogical Practice. Today, I am going to talk about for the different process in my practice in the institution. Okay, the institution is located in Buenos Aires town. The name is Escuela Arzobispo Tulio Botero Salazar. Eh, I carved the practice. I carved all the practice in the grades on the third to fifth grades. Mm, okay, let continue. Okay, the introduction for this practice of the semester is the different context about the. I have different knowledges or I can understand for the these topics about the this process. The first I learned or I studied different uh, reference about the different contests. How I teaching for the student, I teaching for the different topics, I teaching or planning for the lesson plan, the challenges for and goals in this process is different context. I can use complements. I can use implement as methodologies, strategies of the planning for the class. Um, okay. Yes, in motivated pedagogical solution, this implement innovative approach. You implement design for the English communicator for the curricular. Others is incorporate the UDL principles and effective classroom. Okay, I implement for the motivate to the students the different methodologies, but I use the challenges and goals for the different contests. For example, the first I use the technology that is observation the students, but is this observation the student for the learning, for the outcomes and the classroom dynamics. But I teaching I I technology adapts for the different individual and learning needs for the students. The other methodology innovate is gamification. Gamification is very important in this process because in this place I can use different games, but implementing different activities to learning is more easy in explaining about the students. For example, the gamification is the different elements into the incorporation about the games. This is a process. This is process to motivate. This is process to motivate the interaction in the student. The other is encourage a student to work, but is on projects. This is some projects, but is solving the problem. For example, for example, this is different question. Other for is solving the solution for the problems. Okay, other innovation pedagogical in practice I can use in the practice, but is work in groups. Work in groups is very important because some students give you the different ideas, but is I reception different ideas, but is work and select and practice and explain. I can use other form for they give me the different context. Other is focus in development the students very social and emotional and use the digital tools. The digital tools in the class is very important because the student I can use motivator. This I can use motivator for this learning about the practice. Okay, the improvements. But is the strategies into create more engage for the effective and personality learning experiences for the student. For example, the different strategies are elements about the help with the students when the students I can understand this topic. I can use the different topics, use the different methods for the learning or for the teaching of the student. This is all for this presentation. Thank you very much.